Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, here to the Grizzly Digital Network. We're joined now by head women's soccer coach Chris Coons. Coach, the result doesn't go our way here tonight. 3-1 again against St. Thomas. We come up short, but what can you take away from this contest?
Yeah, I mean, I think that on the good side, we really feel like, without taking anything away from St. Thomas, that it was more a product of what we did not do on our side than what it was that they implemented in terms of the game and us. We were extremely tight. We just did not play with any sort of a flow, which we're very capable of. And as I said in the pregame, I mean, I could feel it that we were either super focused or super nervous. And unfortunately, I guess we don't quite have the identity down pat yet to have the focus over the nerves. As a result, we dug ourselves a hole again.
Yeah, same thing from last year, a year ago. It bites us too big of a hole to climb out of. Again, the intensity comes again late. Is that sort of what you were expecting to see? Or maybe what you wanted to see was the last 15 versus the first 15?
Yeah. I mean, it wasn't the way we wanted to play, but it was the intensity that we've been training with. And as I told the girls, I said, it's just game one. It wasn't the best showing of ourselves, and that's okay. This did not decide us. This just started the season. And so we're looking forward to have a better opportunity on Monday to show more of what we're capable of.
At this point in the season, is it about playing games? Do you like the fact that it's a quick turnaround? I know it's a road contest, but you're going to turn around and play Monday, then get back home again, at home on Wednesday. That's 3 games in less than a week. Do you like that early in the season?
I do, and I think that we need some more game fitness. I think that we maybe overestimated some players' fitness, but again, I think some of the players were really nervous, and I think that takes your fitness away from you when you have those nerves and you play so tight. So, that said, hey, we're young. We're going to do much better, and I told the girls, you've got a much better showing of yourself, and you know that, so just move forward.
Coach, good luck on the road on Monday.
I appreciate it.